of the detour to be working for you, to be working against you. You do not want that. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my face, hi, welcome. My name is Janthio. I'm based in Abuja, Nigeria. Like what you're seeing on this channel, why not subscribe to my channel so that you get to see my next upload, okay? And give me a huge and a massive thumbs up. I made a video where I used Dettol to clear my acne. As you can see, I do not have acne again. What I have now is just some hyperpigmentation that I'm still fighting with. I'm still trying to reduce get rid of this hyperpigmentation so that my skin will be flawless. But for now, this is what we have. This is what we have. I'm going to insert some pictures here so that you will get to see how my skin was before I started using a Dettol. Okay, I made a video. I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you will go and see that video and know how I use my Dettol. Let's get right into this video. So this video is why your Dettol is not working for you. Okay, got some questions on that videos asking me some people were saying that the Dettol didn't do anything for them, it did not work for them. It's possible that things I'm going to mention in this video, maybe that's the reason why your Dettol is not working for you. So I hope you watch this video to the end so that you will get to know the reason why your Dettol is not working for you. So that's what this video is about, why your Dettol is not working for you, the things that you are doing wrong that is making it not work for you. Meanwhile, a disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist, I am not a skincare guru, I am not a skincare expert, I am not even a doctor. These are what I use on my skin and it has helped me. I decided to show you guys, possibly to help you guys as well. Okay, I wasn't looking like this before. I'm going to start my picture the way I was before in the past. Okay, so far I'll be showing you guys my process, how I was able to transition to my skin the way I'm looking now. You know, I was once like this before I got pregnant and I gave birth, and it was a whole different thing. Okay, so please do not come for me to say, oh, this thing you said didn't work for me. It's possible that it will work for me and it will not work for you. Okay, so I just wanted to let that out. So the first reason why your Dettol might not be working for you is possibly because you got a fake. Maybe you got a fake one, because there are so many fake products in the market. Okay, it's possible that you got a fake Dettol. That's why your Dettol is not working for you. If you want to know how to differentiate between the fake and the original, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video for you guys on how you can differentiate between the original Dettol and the fake Dettol. Okay, so it's possible that you're using a fake Dettol, that's why your Dettol is not working for you. Okay, if you are using a fake Dettol, it is not going to work. It is not going to work. Even if you see results, it's going to take like a very long time. Okay, that might be the reason why your Dettol is not working for you. Another reason why your Dettol might not be working for you or is not working for you could be you're not using it properly. Okay, it might be that you're not using it properly. Maybe you're using too much or too little of the Dettol, or maybe you are not following the right procedures to use the Dettol. Okay, so if you want to use the Dettol, maybe you have hyperpigmentation, you have acne, and you have gone to the market, you've gotten the original Dettol. Okay, this is what you should do. The cap of, depending on the size of Dettol that you got. If you got the smaller one, I'm going to start a picture here. If you got the smaller one, it's advisable that you use the cap of that smaller one. Okay, or if you get the medium one, okay, you have to use half of it. If you got the bigger one, okay, you should use a very like this quarter of that one. Made that mistake in the past. When I usually go to the market to get Dettol, I usually buy the bigger one. So that bigger cap, the bigger one, that cap, I'll just pull it and pour into the water. I was having a lot of stinging on my skin. I was having a lot of redness on my skin. I did not know that was the reason why I was having those redness in my skin. Okay, so you have to follow the right procedures just so that you will not be harming your skin. Instead of the Dettol to be working for you, to be working against you, you do not want that. Okay, so if you want to know how to use the Dettol properly, I have a video on that on this channel. You should probably go and watch that video so that you know the right way to use your Dettol. Okay, this reason why your Dettol might not be working for you could be because you're using too much. I said that before. You're using too much, it's going to harm your skin, and if you're using small, it's not going to work for you. You have to work with the right amount. Okay, what I do is that I use the smaller cup of the smallest Dettol. That's what I have. I just pour a little of the Dettol into the smaller cup, mix it with the water, the one I showed you guys before, that cup. I mix it with that cup. I use it to clean my face, and I do not let it stay for long on my face, because I discovered that when it stays long on my skin, it's going to sting my skin and it causes redness. Okay, it's going to irritate my skin, and we do not want that. So what I do immediately, I wash it off and bath. Okay, the remaining one I use it to bathe. Okay, wash my face as well and bathe the other part of my body. That's what I basically do. These are the things that I feel that if your Dettol is not working for you, this might be the reason. So you have to look into these things that I just said. And please, I want to plead with you guys, if you have sensitive skin, please by all means stay away from Dettol. Please stay away from Dettol. Other products in the market that you can use to clear your acne or your hyperpigmentation. There are other products in the market that you can use to clear your hyperpigmentation. But please, if you have sensitive skin, please do away from Dettol. Okay, these are all the things I have to tell you guys now. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and I will do well to answer the questions in my next video. Okay, I hope this video was able to answer your questions, your worries, and your concern. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.